In today's video I'm going to talk about online business ideas. I'm going to talk about 10 online business ideas. If you are new here, consider to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Let's dive in. There are various online business ideas that you can consider starting. Here are 10 online business ideas to start. 1. E-commerce store. You can start an online store to sell physical or digital products. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to set up an e-commerce store. 2. Affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. 3. Dropshipping. With dropshipping, you can sell products without holding any inventory. You partner with a supplier who ships the products directly to your customers. 4. Online course creation. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. 5. Content creation. You can create and monetize content through platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or a blog. You can earn money through advertising revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 6. Virtual assistant. You can offer virtual assistant services to businesses or individuals who need administrative support. 7. Social media management. You can help businesses manage their social media accounts and create engaging content. 8. Online coaching. You can offer coaching services on a variety of topics, such as business, health, or life coaching. 9. Web design and development. You can offer web design and development services to businesses and individuals who need a website. 10. Online marketplaces. You can create an online marketplace where buyers and sellers can connect and transact, like Etsy or Fiverr. These are just a few examples of online business ideas. The key is to find something that aligns with your skills and interests and has a viable market. Thank you for watching the video.